Hello everyone, my name is Prabhas and I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, studying in 3rd SEM CSE Data Science, 1V23 CD038, course Operating System, course code BCS 303, topic Disk Management. In the first slide, we will discuss about internal composition. In the internal composition, first we will discuss about platters. Platters are the circular disc where data is magnetically recorded. They are usually made aluminum, glass or ceramic and are coated with a magnetic material. Read or write heads. Read or write heads are the components that read data and from write to the disk platters. They float close to the platter surface on a thin cushion of air. The spindle is the axis that holds and spins the platters at a consistent speed, ensuring stability and accurate read and write operation during data transactions. Disk management techniques. We will learn about disk management techniques in the upcoming slides. Disk management techniques are the techniques which are disk partitioning, primary and extended partitions. Primary and extended partitions are the main divisions of a disk. Primary partitions directly hold data, while extended partitions can contain multiple logical drives. Logical drives are sections created within an extended partition. They help in better organizing data by allowing multiple drives within a single partition. File System Implementation FAT32. FAT32 is a widely used file system that supports a large number of files and improved storage efficiency, but has limitations in size, file and volume size. NFTA, NTFS offers advanced features like permissions, encryption and disk codes. It is widely used in modern memory window systems for its robustness and security. Extension 234 are file systems commonly used in Linux. Extension 4 is improved version with better performance, reliability and larger volumes. Disk scheduling algorithms. Let us know in the deep. FCFS, first come first served. Characteristics. FCFS schedules disk request in order they arrive. It is simple to implement but does not hold account for the order of specific disk locations. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to understand and implement, fairly distributes access to disk. Cons: long wave times and high seek times occur, leading to inefficient data. Shortest seek time first. Pros and cons. Pros: reduces the average seek time compared to FCFS, efficient for systems within frequent disk use. Cons: can lead to starvation of some requests. Characteristics: STFS selects the disk request closest to the current head position, minimizing seek time. It attempts to reduce overall movement of the disk head. Performance analysis. Performance depend on request patterns, higher efficiency for cluster request but concurrently poorly for disturbing the process. Look and scan algorithms. Look is similar to scan but only moves far as the last request in each direction, cutting short unnecessary movement. Soft, often called elevator algorithm, moves the disk head from one end to other, servicing all requests in its path. C-look algorithm. C-look acts like look, but after reaching the last request in one direction, it jumps back to the start of the queue without servicing intermediate requests. C-scan algorithm. C-scan is a variant of scan that, upon reaching one end, returns to the beginning of the disk without servicing any requests in the return phase. OS evolution, historical evolution of operating system, a comprehensive timeline for key milestones. Batch processing systems. The advent of batch processing system marked the beginning of the operating system, automating job executions without user interaction. These paved the way for more complex operating systems. Time sharing systems. The development of time sharing system allowed multiple users to interact with a computer simultaneously, significantly improving resource utilization and accessibility for diverse applications. Personal computer OS like DOS. The introduction of personal computing operating systems such as DOS de- democratized computing, allowing individual users to operate computers efficiently at home in businesses. Graphical user interface. The rise of graphical user interface with operating system like Mac OS transformed user, making computers more accessible to general public. Types of operating system and overview of different operation system categories. Batch operating system. These systems execute job in batches without user interaction, which enhance performance and optimize resource utilization. They are ideal for processing large volumes of similar tasks, minimizing wait times and maximizing throughput. Time sharing operating system. Time sharing operating systems allows multiple users to interact with a computer simultaneously effectively. Resource sharing such as CPU time. This approach improves user experience by providing the illusion of dedicated systems for each user while ensuring optimal resource allocation. Distribution systems. Distributed systems. These systems manage a group of distinct computers, enabling them to work together as a single cohesive unit. This setup enhances resource sharing, reliability and load balancing, allowing users to access the available utilized resources from multiple locations seamlessly.